how can you get your pictures back on your iPhone? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get your pictures back on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically go ahead and then get your pictures back to your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Let's say you happen to delete something from the main Photos application here, and even if you deleted something, you want to find them, what you want to do is to simply tap the albums option, which you can find from the bottom, and scroll down here under utilities section. You'll find a section known as recently deleted. So all you have to do is just tap this recently deleted tab here, and once you go ahead and access this recently deleted, you should be able to see all the photos and videos that you have recently deleted. And now if you want, you can choose to restore them by just going ahead and pressing it here, selecting either recover or delete. If you want to delete it permanently, you can tap on delete. If you want to recover it, you can choose to recover it from recently deleted as well. This way you can actually get back your deleted photos on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.